Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to new video from Sharplet Engineering. I'm Engineer Aminul Islam from Bangladesh. Welcome to new video where I can see you the main topics where and how you can start your troubleshooting. Okay, we'll talk about today the NICE 3000. You can know this inverter, motherboard, and others. Also, you know the manual. I hope. Okay, friends, how can you start and when you can start? Okay, you go to the machine room and see the controller. Here, you see the port here. Error 40 on, error 30 on, or anything. Here about I'll see the fault code. It's 52 for 50 62, but you will and others 65 66 80 fault show on the controller. Sometime it have the solution UCMP, but in the manual they're available not available. So you can see here if you have different types of fault as like us, starting from 2. When 2 fault show overcurrent during acceleration time overcurrent. Possible case there, you can see here possible case and the solutions there. Overcurrent during acceleration, you have to check main circuit output is ground or short circuit, motor auto tuning performance properly, the encoder signal is incorrect. Solution: check the run contactor at the controller output side is normal. Check PM SM starter contact cause a short circuit at the controller outside. So you realize what I am saying. First you can check the fault show here, then to check the manual for fault code. Okay, it's the first point of troubleshooting. Number 2, we'll check power supply. Where is power supply? Here. Here about available power supply. RST 3-phase, PB and plus for braking resistor, UVW for motor. That's for earthing. Okay. URST 3-phase, between phase R and S, S and T, R and T, available from 380 to 400. You can check from earthing, it will be 220 to 240. My reminder for the phase and neutral and earthing, it must have below 1. Number 1. Number 2, you can check here 24 volt. 1 2 3 4 3 for 24 volt, 4 for 0 volt. You can check here the 24 volt. Okay, 1 minute. Friends, realize for power supply? I hope you can realize. Number 3, you can check the signals available for safety. Here X25, 26, 27. It's for complete safety, it's for cabin door contact, it's for landing door contact. And this LED was 1. Different times it's 1, if all is okay. Here you can see LED X1 to X24 depend on different safety of different switch as like as X9 for inspection, X10 up down. But in normal operation, when you troubleshooting, X9 1 because of inspection not active, then active normal run. Okay, 6 7 there's for magnetic contactor feedback. 6 7 it will be 1 when lift stop, it will be off when lift run. You can you see the fault of 36 37, then you can check that 6 7. Okay, then 12 13 14 15, 12 13 14 15 use for 4 limits in the shaft: upper limit, down limit, upper slow, down slow. When this goes to down, you can see the X16 off. When this goes to up, X15 off. 13 12 13 always 1 because of limit switch not break when going to running, but slow connected to 14 15 it will be off when lift goes to up and goes to down. Now others if connected become X18 X19 no thermal or break limit, then it will be 1 or off depend on your controller. Okay, here Y1 Y2, these two use for magnetic contactor. When the live running start, you can see Y1 is 1, I mean 3-phase magnetic contactor 1, then break will be 1, and the end of lift stop time Y2 off, then Y1 off. Okay, you can see fault here, but you can see here the others issue. It's okay or not? My friends, realize something? Safety for that. Limit switch for that. X1, X2, X3 used for leveling. It will be work or not? You can see here, John, when it changes the floor. On switch, if you use 1, 2, 3 switch, use MP switch. That will be issue here. When change the floor, it will be on off. Okay. So friends, I hope I want to I am trying to understand you the issue, and also you have to know the mechanical issue. Lift is an electromechanical component. Your electrical equipment 100% okay, but mechanical is not okay, then it will not run. You have to realize the other safety different because of door contact, photocell, very important for the issue. Overload when lift run, when lift not run, door is open, what to do? You have to check photocell, you have to check overload, you have to check push button. Okay, then no fault show on the controller, mind it. Also in this controller, I see you the nice 3000. You have to see the card top card CTB card top board. You will see here different signal also shown: X1, X3, X5. That's the use for different issue. X8 for overload, X1 for photocell, 3, 5 limit. Okay, I have realized something. If you have any fault you don't realize or not understand, you can trust me, my WhatsApp number. I'll try to give you simple solution. But you have to realize, first of all, you have to do lift installation, lift commissioning, hand over to client. If you done that 3 point, you'll able to do troubleshooting. Also, troubleshooting, you have to check the all components such as pulley, motor pulley, counter pulley, motor cabin guide shoe, counter guide shoe, overload device, buffer, limit switch, speed governor. Okay, you have to check others fault as like a safety fault, door fault, inverter fault. If your fault is inverter fault, you don't do anything. You have to replace or repair that. Okay, it's the long time history. First, you don't take to action about inverter or motherboard. Your controller is ready but not running. Okay, then you can say that inverter fault. Your controller is running but you don't see the display here. It's like now you should to realize the inverter fault. When you can realize the motherboard fault not a simple issue. You have different option. If your point is damaged, you can use others. Nice 3000 is a best controller because of there has other opponent. Last of all, I want to see the main issue. You don't realize. You can check by keypad. What's the fault? Here is the fault show, but not show. You can connect the keypad here. You'll see there, and you can change different issue. And I want to talk another fault of gear motor. When encoder fault, you can bypass F0000 to 0. Then lift will run into inspection speed. Realize? Don't realize? I have no idea. But you try and try and try. I hope you will be success. Friends, troubleshooting is an art. Brilliant. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.